I am so ready to make Christmas cards. But first, I need to unbox some things. Hey, and welcome back to Keeping Your Heart. My name is Renee, and I am so glad that you are here. If you have not yet subscribed, this is the perfect time for you to do that. So whether you're new or returning, I invite you to go ahead and smash that button down below so that you can be notified when new videos come up. So that means you hit the button and then you hit the bell, and that helps you connect. Okay, so what is Keeping Your Heart? We are all about those processes that help us to stay connected to other people so we can walk alongside them when they are in places of pain, suffering, healing. In order to do that, we want to make sure that we are taking care of ourselves. So one of the ways that I do that is through creativity. So this year has been the year of starting to explore significant card making, and that has also meant maybe I have some subscriptions for some things like card kits. So today is going to be the Simon Says Stamp card kit for December. I'm super excited to show this to you. So I'm unboxing it for the first time. I haven't seen it myself, so you'll hear me puzzling some things out because I didn't know what they were until I opened the box. I really try not to watch any spoiler videos or anyone else's unboxings because I really want to have my own honest opinion and thoughts and responses to things. I'm not sponsored by anybody, and so all you're hearing is me, figuring out how I feel about it on the spot. So very excited about that. I'm gonna get right into making some cards this week, and can't wait to post those up for you. And some of you are gonna get some too. Isn't that cool? So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. All right, so let's go ahead and open up this Simon Says Stamp kit box. Oh. All right, let's try not to knock things completely over. Go ahead and pull the envelope out. Again, I have not seen any of this, so I don't know what is in here. Woohoo! Oh, Christmas candy! How cute! Very cool. Loving that. All right, let me put this away here. All right, so we'll put these goodies at the side over here. So cool. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. There's a code here. Okay. I think you can use this. So it's Meow 5. $5 off a purchase of 5 or more. Oh, it's free. Love that. Okay. Fun stuff. Oh my gosh. Okay. So this is called Joyful Season. So here's some of the inspiration that you can see here. Very nice. So sort of traditional and we'd say vintage. Very cool. All right. So we have cardstock here. So there is white, 80 pound. This is actually a green color. It looks very, let's see if you can get it by itself. There you go. You can see it's a little more green, midnight green. And then we have lipstick red. Hey, hey. And our white cardstock here. Mia Solar, 80 pound. Excellent. And then the envelopes here. Ooh, that's a pretty early metallic khaki, metallic schoolhouse, and white. Excellent. And I do like two because ain't nobody need to be licking any envelopes right now. All right, very cool. Those will go very nicely. And then we have, look at these die. They're so cute. Okay, what are the little sticks for? I don't know yet. Okay, so looks like these are candy cane hearts, which are so cute. Oh, is it so that you can make it like a little candy stick, like a lollipop, maybe, or a bow? I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure that out. I have no idea what that's for, but that's really cool. Okay, got that. Here is some more paper. This is All Is Merry and Bright. It looks like it was a little kit of paper that the sticker the sticky part came off here, but look at how cute that is. Very vintage in feel. Very nice. Oh, that's really pretty. That'd be great to cut out. Oh, what a neat tree. Very neat. You could almost frame that. That's super cute. Okay. Some nice cut aparts here and here. Oh, very nice. And then on the other side, lots of cool patterns, cute stockings. You know, my grandpa used to tell a story about every year we'd have stockings when we were at their house. And he'd say to me, I cannot believe that you all get all of this stuff in your stockings. These are like Christmas presents. When I was growing up, it was a long sock with maybe some oranges in it, and that's it. So we are completely spoiled. Super cute patterns here. And then the back of this one. Alright. Very cool. Some ephemera. Look at this. Cute. So some of the Dear Santa. So certainly these will look great on the cards. Very cute. Oh, and look, some tags. So you could use these both on cards and as Christmas tags on presents. Oh, I like these little, those are cute. You could, if you wanted to, you could make a little banner with those. Or a little garland. Super cute. Okay. Alright, yep, Super Santa-y for sure. Oh, that pops out. A nice little frame. Let's try not to tear it ready. 2 in 1. Excellent. Very cool. Slide that back in. You know what's coming next? You can see it on the left there. Is this beautiful velvet trim. Boy howdy, that is gorgeous. Look at those colors. Beautiful. Like the 2 different shades of green and red there, because it turns out that's going to be helpful for the cards. And we have the Rustic Wilderness Distress ink, which is super cool because I've been seeing a lot of videos with that, and it is definitely increasing the range of the greens, so that's going to be fun. Glossy Accents Clear Dimensional Medium. So I think this is if you want to make stuff shiny. Does it look like there's an... I think it's just clear. So we'll have some fun with that. Making things glossy and shiny. And then, this is always my favorite part. Look at this set. Look how beautiful that is. Wishing you and yours a joyful season. Missing you at Christmas time. Warm holiday wishes. Have a holly jolly holiday. Beautiful as we're apart. Dreaming when we be together again around the tree. That is just beautiful. These are going to make great cards. I love that this is like the width of an A2, so it can be on the top or the bottom. You could also use that on a slim line. And of course, this goes, that vintage feel of these will go really, really well with the papers that are included too. Very cool. So here's one more look at the inspiration. We'll see what I come up with in my own designs. And there's the box. How fun! I cannot wait to try out some cards from that, whether I look at the inspiration or most likely design my own. True confession, I'm actually not a huge Santa Claus fan. It's complicated, but I'm sure that I can find cool things to use all that ephemera for, and certainly there were some very adorable things in that kit. Love the new ink, love the new velvet. I've never used velvet trim in a card before, so that's going to be fun, and can't wait to see what I come up with. So if you have liked this, please give it a thumbs up. Again, don't forget to subscribe. You can check out my process on Instagram at this address here, right there. Love if you tag me in what you've created. I'd love to showcase, spotlight it in my next video. I'm very happy to do that. So go ahead and feel free to tag me. If you have any questions about more of what's happening at reneemdupuy.com, that address is here. That's how to spell it. That's right. And of course, thank you so much for being here. Can't wait to catch you next time. And don't forget, most importantly, don't forget to keep your heart. Bye.